Buddies, welcome to the channel. Your landscape hunter here, and let's roll the intro. Buddies, so today is 12 July, Sunday, and it's 3:30 p.m. It's been raining continuously since last 3 days, and today it is little bit sunny, and so we are just heading out to take a small ride. It's been long time that I came out. It's been almost 2 weeks. I'm staying at home only. So do everybody. So first of all, I think everybody is safe and secure in the places that they are staying. Um Coming to the place that we are today, this is Kollapudi. It's in Vijayawada. When you are coming from Hyderabad, this is the first place that you hit, right? So if I just go a little further, you can also see the board. There you go. Welcome to Vijayawada. I will not go into the city. Let me take a U-turn here. So buddies, if you are new to this channel is all about traveling, and if you are not interested in traveling, then maybe you shouldn't be on this channel. So coming to today, we're just taking a small ride. After sitting for a really long time at home, I was like becoming mad. I want to travel somewhere, but you know the times, right? We can't travel anywhere. So I was just taking small weekend rides and here and there, and just like riding is like meditation for me. So right now I'm meditating. So I'm not sure how the audio and video quality is right now. This is the first time we are trying motovlogging on this channel, and you guys let me know in the comment section how you feel. I know this is not the great action camera, this is not GoPro, definitely this is a E action camera, and please don't scold me, this I bought before the boycott China movement. And the audio also, I think it should be okay. I don't know if it is so much of wind noises coming into the helmet, but I think it is pretty much okay. But let's see, after editing I will see how it is coming up. And guys, the last video that we posted on this channel is bikers emotion during the lockdown. That was perfect in timing, and many people liked it. Oh my god, this guy almost wrapped into me. I should be very careful when talking, vlogging, and riding. It is very new experience to me. Okay, so if you didn't check that video, go to check it out. It's a funny video. So today, let's talk about traveling, guys. I know this is the most irrelevant topic at this point of time, but hey, everybody is talking about relevant topics, so let's talk about irrelevant topic. So traveling, this is, I think this is the one of the most affected. Is that a jackfruit? Yes, so many jackfruits. Sorry. So traveling, yes, this is the most affected part during these times, and traveling, tourism, everything is completely shut down. I know few countries recently has opened to traveling. Even Dubai, I have seen they again started and calling the tourists. I mean, you do have so many process, like they are screening you out for the COVID test and everything, and if you show the certificate that you are free of COVID, you can travel to Dubai even in this time. And I think it will be fun because you won't have a lot of tourists, and you might even get cheap travel deals. And guess what, guys, Nas Daily is promoting this travel to Dubai in these times. I have seen his video recently, and all this information I got from his video only. You know what, this year I had so many plans, take it to traveling, personal career, and so many things. Trust me, 95% of the plans got shattered because of this COVID, and I was like sitting all day thinking, what the hell am I doing? uh, Coming to travel, I had a plan of actually traveling to Kerala. So I had this plan uh, before monsoon. I wanted to do a ride before monsoon. Let me tell you the place I started. I wanted to start a ride from Bangalore all the way to Trivandrum and then back to Bangalore. So this was the ride I planned. Even though I don't stay in Bangalore, but I thought that will be the convenient way. It was coming around 2000 kilometers, and I thought a 1 week of time should give me enough time to adjust to the travel. And I thought of doing the travel on bike only. I know many people think I'm crazy, but yeah, I'm basically a hardcore fan of biking. Let's take U-turn here. Where is the petrol bunk, man? Not even one petrol bunk I have seen till now. Shit. And we don't have enough fuel. If we go a little bit longer and the bike stops, we are doomed.
దరిద్రుడా, ఒక్క మాట మంచిది రాదు నోట్లోంచి. అది నోరే డ్రైనేజారా?
So I think for this year, this is it. No plans, nothing, cancel everything, and waiting for the vaccine is like waiting for something that could never come. That might come. That may come in next month. That may come in next year. So I'm not believing this vaccine. I don't know when this will come. So all I am trying to do is strengthening my immunity. You guys also do the same. Take vitamin C. Take all multivitamins, eat healthy food, do at least 30 minutes of exercise, at least 3 to 4 days per week, and I think you should be strong enough to tackle any kind of viruses. So you don't need to be worried. Okay, so enough of talking. Now let's enjoy the ride and play some music.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So after going to 2 petrol bunks, finally I found a place where they're taking the payment from Paytm or the Phone Pay. I don't know why these guys are still taking the cash, but they are not encouraging the digital payments. Guys, I saw a video like one guy recently posted. I don't know, he thinks that he got corona because of just exchanging money. So no exchange money. I'm not at all carrying any money. I'm just doing Phone Pay. If in the worst case, I'm just paying with my card and then sanitizing the card and my hands both. So with this, we'll end the vlog today here. In the next vlog, I will show you guys my beautiful Vijayawada city. I will show you the places everyone remember when we say Vijayawada city. It will be coming up in the next couple of weeks. So do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and so that you'll be notified when the video is uploaded. Until then, bye guys, take care and be safe.